Today I am rehanging the door. The bottom of these things kind of got a little rotten, especially on this other side here. You can see where air has now taken the place of some of that wood down there. So I want to replace it with a new piece. And you know, they say you should just buy a whole new door, which is $400, but you know, that's, you know, neither here nor there, because you'd make it up in labor and all that, you know. Well, anyway, the first thing I did is take the old door out, but then I took these hinges. In order to get them lined up and straight, I used the old door jamb and screwed it to that, so that then these hinges would line up there. Now that's critical for this door, because the door itself doesn't have any recess for the hinge. The hinge just butts right onto there, so that's not a big deal. But I want to get that so it's straight, so that it, you know, lays up in there correctly. And I had to cut this down a little bit. It's a 36-inch door, and this is only a 32, so I had to cut that off a little bit. Then I cut these to length, a little shorter than, you know, right smack against the concrete, because if I give a little space there, it'll help it keep from rotting quite so quick. And then the tricky part is here on the bottom of the door, and I've done this side already, and you can see that I've cut out this little recess for the step. So this little notch here I cut out just with this little end thing, and got that cut out. Now I cut that other one off to length, and I'm going to have to do the same thing on that one to cut that thing out on the bottom. Then I'll get it up in there, get my side brick molding put up. I cut the one side for that brick molding. It's over there by the door, and that'll go on the outside there. I got the striker plate. I think I'm going to put the door all back together, kind of like I had it before, with the door in it, and then I will do it very much like a pre-hung door. I'll hung it in there and then put it in there, stick it in the hole, get everything shimmed out, and then seal her up fast. And hopefully that will take me less than, you know, well, no, another 10 hours or something. But, you know, I'm saving the planet and everything, right?